If you could have anything you desire right now, what would you ask for? Anything. Is it a new career, a new way of making money? Is it just having a lot of money? I would love to show you a way for you to change your situation if you don't love what you do for a living, if you're struggling with your income, or you're worried about your future. I'm Landria Onkka, a best-selling, award-winning author. I was a former investment banker for 25 years, and I made that decision to change my life. I had to get the skills to make that change, and I found an amazing training system that gave me that opportunity, and it exists for you. I'm not talking about going back to college for years and going back out into the matrix. I'm talking about creating your own business from scratch, step by step, something that anybody who commits and decides to make this change can do. Would you like to do that? Maybe you never imagined owning your own business. It's not as difficult as you think, not when you have a whole team of people and the right training. Thousands of people are doing it. If you're ready to make that decision to change your life and stop letting that world out there control your happiness, your income, and your future, then I hope that you will join me in at least checking this out by clicking somewhere here on the screen or below for a complimentary video series that explains how people are making the change. It's time. You don't have to have technology background. You don't even need products and services. I had neither. So besides that television movie and writing for a living, I have online businesses that replace my income. I'm more successful now than I was as an investment banker. I didn't think that was possible. If you click somewhere here, you'll get that complimentary video series right to your inbox. And if it's not for you, you unsubscribe. Click somewhere here on the screen or below, and I'll see you on the other side of happiness and success in a way that you never imagined possible. Take care.